Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong new moon in Virgo ngayong September 15, 2023 at 9:39 a.m. Philippine Standard Time. So if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. Ayan. So this is also a good time for you to manifest your desires, yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve. Kasi new moon is about new beginnings. So, ang pinakatema ng New Moon in Virgo ay learning new techniques, mga pag-aaral, no? mga bagong abilities, skills na pwede mong ma-acquire. So, ang opportunity for you is to take practical actions towards your goals. Na, of course, mga Capricorn, practical talaga yan. Oo. So, maaring may i-reassess ka na mga plano mo sa buhay, can be sa career mo, sa relationship mo, or any endeavor na pinupurso mo. Kung yun ba ay achievable ngayon, practical ba siyang gawin? Realistic ba siya? Kasi kung hindi, maaaring magkakaroon ka ng adjustment, no? Na, teka, i-adjust ko muna, mukhang mahirap abutin yan sa ngayon. So, that's your opportunity to take practical actions. And some of you are going to fix some issues or problems ninyo in the past na finally magkakaroon na kayo ng solusyon. And yung solusyon na yan, practical solutions din yan. And another one is, yung mga goals ninyo ngayon is to have stronger boundaries para hindi kayo ma-take advantage ng iba. Kasi syempre, diba, pag lagi kang, open and willing to always lend a helping hand, minsan, nata-take advantage na kayo. So, ngayon, you will learn how to say no. Or talagang, meron kayong paninindigan. Oo. And of course, another thing is how are you going to cope with unexpected change. I think naman for Capricorns, alam nyo kung paano mag-adjust sa situation, depende sa needs. Okay? And also, kapag may mga biglaang pagbabago na yung mga hindi mo inaasahan, tapos, ano yung gagawin mo after nun? Halimbawa, may plano ka, tapos biglang, oops, may nagbago doon sa plano ng iba na maapektuhan yung plano mo. So, ano ngayon yung gagawin mo doon? So, yung goal mo is how to cope with that. Na parang meron kang plan A, plan B, plan C. Okay? Kasi, nothing is constant but change, 'di ba? And then, itong new moon kasi ay nasa inyong ninth house. Ninth house is about expansion, growth, wisdom. So, I feel like for you, Capricorn, you are here to expand your horizon. May growth talaga. Yun yung isa sa goal ninyo. Kung paano nyo mapapalago yung mga nasimulan nyo na. Career nyo, business nyo, relationships ninyo. And alam nyo na magagawa nyo yan by acquiring new knowledge, new skills. Okay? And Mercury is also in retrograde in Virgo. So, may mga re-reassess ka na mga decisions mo in the past. Pwedeng meron kang babalikan na techniques na ginawa mo in the past, na kung saan naging successful ka doon sa pinurso mo. So, pwedeng gagawin mo ulit yun ngayon, i-apply mo ulit yun ngayon, at mas magiging careful ka rin sa mga decision making mo moving forward. Some of you maaring magkaroon kayo ng frustration in learning something new, lalo na kung ito ay may conflict sa inyong schedule, sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong pag-aaral, or sa iba pang responsibilities na meron kayo. So, ang kailangan lang dyan is time management, 'di ba? Oo, i-manage niyo lang yung time ninyo. And also, napakaganda nitong aspect na to kasi Jupiter and Uranus is aspecting your 5th house, which is in Taurus. I think mas magiging solid yung iyong creative skills during this time. Kasi ang 5th house is about creativity, having fun, being more relaxed and open to expressing yourself. So, maaring meron ka mga libangan, mga hobbies na susubukan mo. Pwedeng i-discover mo pa. Yung iba sa inyo, unexpected eh. I don't know kung kilala nyo siya, but gumagawa siya ng diorama. I think ang pangalan niya Noda. Something like that. Oo, sa Facebook. Gumagawa siya ng mga diorama. And, na-discover niya lang yun sa sarili niya noong pandemic. Kasi sobrang down na down siya. Tapos, nagkakaroon na siya ng depression. And then, gumawa siya ng, parang one day, nagising na lang siya na gusto niya ng, meron siyang gustong, i-explore, paggawa ng diorama. Sinubukan lang niya. And then, ngayon, ang dami na niyang clients. Gumagawa na siya, nagko-commission na siya ng mga artwork niya, 'di ba? So, you'll never know talaga kung ano pa yung kaya mong gawin as long as you are willing to explore, your skills, your talents, kasi we are multifaceted beings. Hindi lang tayo singular na pag nandito ka, dito ka na lang forever. You have the power to, explore and discover more about yourself. So, I think for you, Capricorn, you are going to discover more about yourself in your creativity. And then 5th house is also about, passion, relationships, like dating. So some of you maaring merong dating opportunities, romantic connection, especially abroad or with a foreigner. And then also, meron itong positive aspects sa inyong sarili, sa inyong 1st house, which is Pluto is also there. So it is transforming you into a better version of yourself. So, it's more of discovering who you really are. Ang daming options sa inyo, ang daming opportunities, but sometimes naguguluhan ka ano yung pipiliin mo. But in the end, you will choose your passion. You will choose yung path na kung saan alam mo na mas worth it, alam mo na mas nagagamit mo yung talento and skills mo. So, you're going to be very successful in that and marirecognize ka ng grupo mo, ng community mo, ng area na kung saan ikaw ay nandoon. Okay? And you also have the Lovers card. Oh my God. So, merong romantic connections for you. Iba papasok sa isang committed relationship with the Lovers. So, yung iba, yung mga nasa talking stage dyan, maaring kayo ay biglaang pumasok sa isang commitment. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.